Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Unice hair once more. I love the switch up with the packaging. You know, it's not necessarily my first choice in color, but I love how clean and just like minimalistic it is. It's really nice. So let's get into it, see what we got. So of course I'm seeing the wig first, which I'm gonna get into, and then I have this goodie bag. So let's see what we got. Quite a few goodies in here, so let's see what we have. I have a pair of wig caps now. Oh, then them nice. See, they sent a whole pack of almond shaped like press-ons. Isn't this cute? They're little Unice branding 2-minute DIY nail package. It's a pink, they call this one the pink rebel. I mean, if you're a pink girly, you will love this. This is cute though. Oh my gosh, I love these kind of goodies. I have this branded elastic band, and yeah, so those are all the goodies in that packaging. I got another pair of Unice branded HD wig caps. All right, I got 2 of these little clips, always super handy. And then lastly, they were sure to put a Unice drawstring bag inside. I really love the switch up of the packaging. It's refreshing. It feels very feminine, very girly. I love it. This is the wig we're working with today from Unice Hair, right? Feels really good. This is their wear and go 6x4.5 pre-cut lace bouncy water wave glueless bob, and it's 150% in density. So you see that it's already pre-plucked, pre-cut. Literally what they say, it's ready to wear and go. And they did another breathable cap with today's wig. I feel like these caps are very convenient because, you know, I always say that your natural hair don't feel very confined underneath. Feels like it can breathe, you know. They even added a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, as well as the anti-slip silicone, which is great for security. This is how the lace looks. It's pretty spacious. And then they added this adjustable elastic band for more security. This really helps with just making the wig very secure. So yeah, that's how that looks. This is the curl pattern of the hair. As I said, it's water wave. It feels pretty good. It's 150% in density. It's pretty lightweight, and it's a natural hair color. It's a 1B natural color. So yeah, that's how that looks. Very beginner friendly. Let me go ahead and tighten this, adjust this a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and slip it on. The wig is very nice and snugged. I feel like it's very spacious. Like, I love the space on the lace. I guess, you know, that's the whole idea of the 6x4.5, because you have more space working with for the lace area. Feels good, it looks good. Only thing, it does have a little bit of cast, which is okay and normal. You can just blend that out with your a little bit of face powder to make it blend down, but the hair feels good and I love it. No adhesive needed, you know, perfect for all my beginners. And before I go any further, let me show you that this is very secure in your head. It won't fall off regardless of it being glueless. Let's do the shake test. See that? Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the lace down so that, you know, it can look more, you know, realistic.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry.
So I feel like that looks good, but we want to press the lace in a little bit more. So what I do to achieve that is I still take an elastic band even though there's no adhesive on the lace, and this really helps to press the area in and kind of helps it to be more seamless. I'll just let that stay for a while, and that just helps to press the lace down even more. So what I'm gonna move on to doing is just get my wax stick to just flat down the area more. And by the way, you could part the wig within the lace portion anywhere you like if you want to do a side part, you can do that. That looks good, that looks good. As I said, the hair feels like, you know, that standard water wave kind of vibe. I feel like it's on the coarser side. So looking good, looking good. Still pressing it down. So this is just water in this bottle, and I'm just getting this nice and wet. It's a really beautiful loose wavy pattern. This is how it looks. It looks really good. I love this, you know, loose wavy kind of vibe. It's just so effortless. So let me go ahead and remove this. So you see how nicely that melted. It looks so good. You would not know that there is no adhesive on this. Look, really nice. So that little trick there always does it for me. If it is that you feel like it wants to be a little bit more blended, just get your elastic band and just, you know, tie it around the area so you can press it in. Unice Hair, they did a wonderful job. They did a wonderful job. I mean, Unice been giving really good quality wigs, and I can very much appreciate that, and I 10 out of 10 recommend them because they actually know what they're doing when it comes on to wig constructions and stuff. So I'm pleased. I'm very pleased. The wig is bomb. It's very secure despite it being glueless. It's very convenient, very beginner friendly, you know, really and truly ready to wear and go. Okay, it's easy and quick. Love it. What can I say? I very much would recommend this to you if you're looking for a convenient water wave bob. This is it. This is it. It's a vibe. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Let me know what you guys think. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty curl pattern. Such a pretty curl pattern. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I am very happy I could, you know, share this one with you. And I hope you found it informative. If you like this wig, if you're gonna get it, you know, please go ahead and check out my description box for all the information. As I mentioned before, if I have any discount code, that's where it will also be listed, and the direct link, all of that good stuff, it's down below. So check that out. Thank you guys for watching today's video, today's wig look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.